It's very hot today.
Yes, it's much hotter than yesterday.
Yesterday was actually cold.
The weather changes so quickly these days.
I don't like hot weather. It makes me tired.
Same here. I prefer cooler days.
I like when it's a bit windy.
Yes, that feels more comfortable.
I hope tomorrow is cooler.
Me too.
Are you waiting for someone?
Yes, I'm waiting for my friend.
How long have you been waiting?
About 20 minutes already.
That's quite long.
Yeah, but I think they're just running late.
Did they message you?
Yes, they said they're on the way.
That's good.
I don't mind waiting a little longer.
I hope they arrive soon. I feel tired every day.
Maybe you need more sleep.
I usually sleep very late.
That's probably the reason.
Yes, I stay up using my phone.
You should try to sleep earlier.
I know, but it's difficult.
Start little by little. Maybe 30 minutes earlier.
That's a good idea.
You'll feel better if you rest more.
I'll try tonight. This door won't open.
Let me try.
I think it's stuck.
Yeah, it feels tight when I push it.
Should we try harder?
No, we might break it if we force it.
That's true.
Maybe something is blocking it inside.
So what should we do now?
I think we should call someone to fix it properly.
Yes, that's safer. I have good news.
Really? What is it?
I got the job.
That's amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. I'm so excited.
You worked really hard for this.
Yes, I'm happy it finally happened.
When do you start?
Next week.
That's great. You must be proud of yourself.
I am. Thank you for your support.
Do you have any plans this weekend?
Not really. I just want to relax at home.
Same here. I feel very tired this week.
Me too. Work has been very busy.
I think I need some rest.
That's a good idea. Rest is important.
Maybe I'll watch a movie or just sleep?
That sounds like a perfect weekend.
Yes, nothing stressful.
Sometimes doing nothing is the best plan.
I'm really sorry I'm late.
It's okay. What happened?
There was a lot of traffic on the road.
Yeah, traffic has been terrible lately.
I even left early, but it was still slow.
That happens sometimes.
I didn't want to be late.
Don't worry. You're here now. That's what matters.
Thank you for understanding.
No problem. Let's get started.
Excuse me, can you help me with this?
Sure. What do you need help with?
I don't understand this part of the task.
Let me take a look.
I've been trying to figure it out for a while.
Okay, I see the problem. It's actually simpler than it looks.
Really?
Yes. You just need to follow these steps.
Oh, I didn't notice that.
It's easy to miss.
Thank you for explaining it clearly.
Anytime.
Hi, I'm new here.
Welcome. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm Anna.
I'm Tom. Are you starting today?
Yes, it's my first day. I'm a bit nervous.
That's completely normal. Everyone feels that way on their first day.
I hope I do well.
You will. Just take your time and ask questions if you need help.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
I'll show you around the office.
That would be great. Thank you so much.
No problem. Let's start over here.
Hi, I saw your missed call earlier.
Yes, I tried calling you a few times.
Sorry, I was in a meeting and my phone was on silent.
That's okay, I understand.
Is everything okay?
Yes, nothing serious. I just needed to ask you something quickly.
Okay, I'm free now. What's up?
I wanted to confirm our schedule for tomorrow.
Oh, right. Thanks for reminding me.
No problem. I didn't want to miss it.
Good thing you called. Hey, can I borrow your charger?
Sure. What kind do you need?
USB-C, please. My phone is almost dead.
Let me check. I think I have one in my bag.
Thank you. I've been looking everywhere.
Here it is. You can use it for now.
That's perfect. I really need it.
No problem. Just return it later when you're done.
Of course, I will.
Is your phone important right now?
Yes, I'm waiting for an important call.
Ah, I see. Then you really need it.
Hi, I just moved in next door.
Oh, welcome. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm Anna.
I'm Tom. It's good to have a new neighbor.
Thank you. I just moved in this morning.
Oh, really? That must be tiring.
Yes, a little, but I'm happy to be here.
How do you like the place so far?
It's nice. Very quiet and clean.
Yes, it's a peaceful area. Most people here are friendly.
That's good to hear.
If you need anything, just let me know.
Thank you. I really appreciate that. My package still hasn't arrived. When did you order it? About 3 days ago. Did you check the tracking number? Yes, it says delayed. That happens sometimes. Should I wait or contact them? It's better to contact support. The lights just went out.
Yeah, I noticed. I think there's a power outage.
It's so dark. What should we do?
Let's check the breaker first.
Where is it?
It's near the door.
Okay, I see it.
If it's not working, we should call the electric company.
Excuse me? I think I lost my phone.
Oh no, really? That's not good. Where did you last see it?
I'm not sure. I think I had it on the bus.
On the bus. Okay, let's think step by step. When did you get off the bus?
About 20 minutes ago. I came straight here after that.
Did you use your phone on the bus?
Yes, I was checking messages and listening to music.
And after that, do you remember putting it in your bag?
I think I did, but I'm not 100% sure.
Okay, don't worry. Let's check your bag again carefully.
All right. I checked everything. It's really not here.
Maybe it fell out of your bag.
Oh no, I hope not. That phone is very important to me.
I understand. Do you have important things on it?
Yes, my photos, my contacts, everything is there.
Okay, let's stay calm. We can try a few things.
Okay, what should I do?
First, try calling your phone. Maybe someone will answer.
Yes, that's a good idea. Can I use your phone?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. It's ringing.
Is anyone answering?
Not yet. It's still ringing.
Maybe the phone is on silent.
Yeah, I think it might be.
Okay, let's try again in a minute.
All right.
Do you remember where you were sitting on the bus?
Yes, I was sitting near the window in the middle.
That's helpful. Maybe the phone is still there.
Do you think so?
It's possible. Sometimes people forget things on the bus and the driver keeps them.
Oh, really?
Yes, there is usually a lost and found office.
That makes me feel a little better.
Good. What bus number did you take?
It was bus number 12.
Okay, we can call the bus company and ask them.
That's a great idea.
Let's try calling your phone one more time.
Okay, it's ringing again.
Fingers crossed.
Wait, someone answered.
Really? That's great.
Hello? Yes, hi, this is my phone.
What are they saying?
They said they found my phone on the bus.
That's amazing.
Yes, they are the bus driver.
Wow, you're lucky.
They said I can pick it up at the bus station.
Perfect. That's very good news.
Thank you so much for helping me.
No problem at all. I'm glad we found it.
I was really worried.
I understand. Losing a phone is stressful.
Yes, but now I feel much better.
Good. Let's go to the bus station together.
Really? You'll come with me?
Of course. It's on my way.
Thank you, Tom. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. Let's go.
Let's go.